Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Scottish Barista Academy. Before we go any further, I'd like to wish you all a very happy and a very prosperous new year. Any news about the Academy? Yes, we've been given the Premier Training Establishment status, which means, believe it or not, we're the only one, not just in Scotland, but in the whole of the United Kingdom. The courses for January and February are now online. They're filling up. So if you want to come on a course, I suggest you have a look and maybe get yourself on a course. The March and April ones will be put online towards the end of February. We're going to spend a bit of time this year, a bit more in time on roasting, and we'll be doing this on the Diedrich, our 2.5 kilogram roaster, and we're going to spend a bit more time on, believe it or not, sensory. Lots of people say, how does that taste of this and how does it taste of that? And we hope to go down that road. So on the roasting and on the sensory side, we'll probably roast first of all maybe on a Monday and a Tuesday, and a couple of days later we'll actually have the sensory and doing some cupping properly, and you'll actually be cupping, tasting the coffees that you roasted 2 or 3 days prior, so they'll be nice and degassed by that time. The roaster to my left, the Diedrich, we will be roasting coffee in that, not just for the Academy, but we'll be doing it for this, we'll be doing that for Coffee Direct Scotland Limited. So when you place orders for coffee for 500 grams or a kilo or whatever, we'll actually be roasting it on the machine a couple of days before you get it. And we don't think you can get any fresher than that. So if you need any help from us, you can get us all online. You can phone us on the free phone number, you can email us, you can phone my mobile, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.